Hello, this is Brody Richards with Vivirito Realty, coming back again with summer cocktails. We're actually going to do a cocktail very similar to one of our previous videos where we use vodka. The biggest difference is going to be this time we're going to use gin. So start with 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of simple syrup, and then I've got some basil leaves here. I like to use maybe 5 or 6 of them. You can adjust that to your taste. If you don't like basil, use mint. If you don't like mint, you can just do this without it. It's gonna taste just as good. Put those in there, muddle it a little bit. Don't press too hard. Add your ice and shake it up. Got our strainer here, pour over ice. And enjoy. Cheers.